Hello there, wonderful viewers! Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get highest video quality in Capcut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure that you have actually updated and downloaded the Capcut app to the latest version. So I want you to go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. Now just open the Capcut application. Now once you open the Capcut application, of course you have to start a new project by selecting the video that you want to edit. Now when you choose a video, there is a very important thing that you have to understand, and that is the canvas or the resolution that you are currently editing it in. If you are editing it for TikTok, then you have to insert it on a different canvas. Now the format is actually in a different way, the frame rate is also different. But if you're editing the canvas, which means your main screen, which looks sometimes is going to be a square, sometimes it's going to be a rectangle. So you have to be very aware of that. And in order to fix that, you just have to select the media over here, and then you have to go to the canvas section. When you go to the canvas section over here, you'll basically be able to go ahead and choose the resolution depending upon your own needs. So just go ahead and then choose which resolution fits best for your project. Now export it in the highest quality possible at the very top. If you look closely correctly, you can see that the render resolution is set to 1080 pixels, which is of course an average of what most YouTubers use. But then if you want to go here and then actually even increase the quality, you can just select here. You can max it out to 2K or 4K if your phone actually supports it. Now the next thing is the frame rate, which is also a very important thing. You can also max this out to almost 50 or 60 FPS, but keep in mind that now even if you render it on 4K and you render it in 120 FPS or whatever frame rate you actually choose, if the social media application on which you are uploading the video does not support that kind of resolution, then it is going to compress the videos automatically. So it doesn't really matter. Even if you upload it on 4K, it is going to compress the videos automatically, especially on YouTube Shots, because YouTube Shots does not currently support 2K or 4K videos. And even Instagram means they only support up to a maximum of 1080 pixels. But however, I'm only showing you for the tutorial purpose, because I'm sure you're doing this in order to get the highest quality possible. If you want, you can also make sure to tune on the Smart HDR. Now once you're done selecting your project resolutions and so on, you can just export this video by tapping on the export icon. And now you can see your video will most likely be exported. And this is how you can get the highest quality possible, such as editing and exporting tutorials on Capcut. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.